Hello all and welcome to this unboxing and review. Today we're going to be unboxing the RepliTronics USB Charge Machine. This is by New Wave Toys. This is their RepliTronics line. This is a Kickstarter. This started out as a Kickstarter. I backed this product a while back. Recently, just not too long ago, I think it was like last month, it actually finally got delivered. This is based off the Change Machine. As you see there, I have a picture right there. If you were in the arcades back in the day, in the 80s and 90s, what have you, and you definitely didn't have any coins to throw into those arcade machines, you would go right to that change machine and put your dollar bill or $5 bill, whatever, and get the tokens or quarters or what have you change back. Kind of nice that they added this to their line. As you can see in the background, New Wave Toys did the 1/6 scale arcade machines, which is like you see there, the Centipede, Street Fighter, and Tempest. These are really nice companion because those are actually have built-in batteries. You can recharge it and plug into this little charge machine, and it's kind of nice for your little setup. You can, just like in the arcades, you got this change machine. So it's really neat that they added this product line to their mix of arcade retro products. As you can see, this is the Quick Start Guide by New Wave Toys. This is our RepliTronics line. Kind of interesting that they started out with a German language. These manuals are usually in multiple languages. It's kind of funny that they actually added German for the first 2 pages. English is actually in the next page. It's kind of just showing all the specs, what's included. You can see there's 6 USB ports in the back of the unit with the power button and so forth, and we'll go over that in a little more detailed. Yeah, definitely a really cool little product that they've added. I was really excited when I first heard about this and saw it. So I got to add this to their to my collection for their 1/6 scale arcade machine. So it's kind of nice to have that right next to the 1/6 scale arcade machines and have them all plugged in and charging and ready to go. So let's take out these. They include these little stickers here. We'll kind of show you the stickers, and there's also little mini replica coins. Two decals. It's nice that they include these. They're usually not on all the change machines. It was usually stuck right under below where you feed the dollar bills. So it said "Do not fold bill." So that was a nice little sticker that they added there, because some change machines had that and some didn't. It's kind of nice that they added that little there. And then here's how to feed the dollar. This is right below where you feed the dollar into the change machine, which I'll probably end up putting that on a little later on. And here's a replica, the little quarters. Kind of neat that they added these. You can just put these in a little coin slot return. They've actually included some of these with their other mini arcade machines, like the Centipede and so forth. So it's kind of nice that they had included that. Here's the power cord. Really nice that it's pretty long, I can see. You don't have to worry about it having, the length to reach to your power outlet or your surge protector or what have you, whatever you plug this into. So let's just pop this out into this, I would say, plain packaging. So it's kind of interesting that they didn't add any kind of graphics to it, but hey, maybe it's just reducing costs. That's fine by me. So yeah, just a nice pack you can see here in foam, and we'll just put this out of the way here. And I'll leave links in the bottom in the description of those 3 machines in the background. I have reviews and unboxings of those as well. And you can kind of see it's in plastic. And we'll just pop this out. It's got a nice little weight to it, so it's not a bad the build. We'll take a look at the build quality here. Yeah, the product is made of mixed material. It's made of plastic, wood, and metal. It's kind of nice that they got the faux paneling. I mean, the detail on this is really spot on. I mean, it's just really nicely done in 1/6 scale. I mean, it's definitely got some nice weight to it. You can see all the USB ports there to charge, to do a charge, and where your cord outlet goes to. The top, same way. The bottom's got nice little slick pads for the tabletop, so they're not gonna slip too much. But nice pads they've added to there, and we'll kind of get a quick close look at this decal. RepliTronics USB Charge Machine, the model number, made in China. There's the output, input, the specs on that, and all the other certifications on there, label. So yeah, there it is right there. I mean, you can see it's kind of almost like in Boss, you can see the change kind of sticking out a little bit on the top there. But yeah, really nicely built, nicely done. So very impressed with this product so far, looking at it. And you can see right there, temporary out of service, a little LED light. What's kind of neat about that's actually, you can actually turn that on or off. It's not always on, so there is a button in the back. Turn it off. and you can turn it back on. And then another little feature they added to it, and we'll look at, is this little lock, the coin lock. It actually just turns, so no other functionality. Just like I say, you just can turn it if you want to, have it locked or unlocked. Yeah, nice little detail they added there. And in the back, you can see that's the button that turns on that little LED in the front, and that's the USB Quick Charge 3.0. And there's a regular USB charge ports and the power button there. That is the change machine, the / charge machine. So overall, I've been pretty impressed with it. The charge capability does do what it's advertised to do. And do please share the video for anyone who might be interested in something like this. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos. If you have subscribed already, thank you for your support. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.